What's the best USB port on PS5 and PS5 Slim for your devices? For the controllers, from the latest test I made in update 9, all USB ports gave us the same polling rate, meaning you can use any USB port you like. DualSense Edge has a 1000Hz polling rate by default with USB, but DualSense is limited to 250Hz. For faster response time, I recommend using DualSense with Bluetooth instead of USB. It's best to use Edge with USB and change the communication method to use USB cable in the general section. For the wireless headphones like Pulse Elite, PlayStation Link, Pulse 3D and Pulse Explore, you can use any USB port you like. And the delay we measured was the same for all ports. But I highly suggest front ports for wireless sticks to prevent overheating. You can also use a Type-C to Type-A adapter and they work perfectly fine. One of the Type-C ports on PS5 Slim is also USB 2. However, based on the latest test we made, all ports output the same voltage and you can charge your controller or headphones with any USB port you like. If you have a PlayStation camera, that must be connected to a USB 3 port. The same for an external HDD or SSD in case you use one for storing your games or playing PS4 games. They must be connected to USB 3. The only USB 2 port on PS5 and PS5 Slim is the top one in front. PSVR 2 must be connected to the front Type-C port at the bottom. The old PSVR can be connected to any ports as it needs less speed.